Just wait until you see the style and function of these newly listed form lighting lights for your GMC Sierra at Phastek.com. Today, we're talking about a new brand for GMC Sierra headlights and taillights. These LED headlights give a more modern response, but they seriously upgrade your output. These headlights come with a startup sequence. Once the running lights turn on, they illuminate a two-stage chasing sequence, making these lights a head turner. Form Lighting makes sure their lights are legal for on-road use in the United States and in Canada. We have these 2014 to 2018 GMC Sierra 1500 LED projector lights. These headlights come with projectors, with all three being bi-LED units. That means they provide output for both low beam and high beams. They're housed in a black housing inspired by late model GMC Sierra style, but they also include the LED turn signal with the C-shaped daytime running lights. If your factory headlights don't have the DRL, this is an easy to install feature with a simple harness. We also have these 14 to 18 GMC Sierra Reflector headlights. These are going to be a great upgrade to add full LED functionality to your truck. So these Sierra headlights will include both your high beam and your low beam. Basically, these lights are going to produce a higher intensity and better output than your factory halogen units. They also include the C-shaped DRL, the LED turn signal, and they'll come with a lighting harness if you don't have DRLs. They feature the same startup sequence and the sequential turn signals as well. Thanks for watching. Remember to go ahead and hit like and subscribe so you can receive an alert to watch our install videos.